it's your girl Kylie J here and welcome back to my channel. So if you read the title, today's video is on how to achieve longer but still natural looking eyelashes with using just mascara. This is and I personally feel like anybody can achieve this. Sometimes it's nice to be able to just put on mascara where it looks like you're wearing false lashes instead of actually putting on false lashes. I am only using just a couple products, all of which can be purchased at a drugstore. As I go through the video, I will have a pop-up of what the product is down here, but as usual, I will also have the products listed in the description box as well. Just a little heads up, after the tutorial, when I have my little ending, I actually already recorded this video, however, I didn't like how it turned out, and even though my lashes didn't look horrible, I wasn't completely in love with it, so I didn't feel comfortable posting that. I just didn't feel like that was something, if I didn't like it, why would I share it with you guys? So I'm gonna look different in the ending, different shirt. My eyelashes will look different, but that is why I recorded that yesterday, and then I was like, you know what? I don't like the tutorial I did, so I deleted it and I'm redoing it today. I will also be putting up a couple pictures at the very end of my eyelashes. This eye looks so much better than this eye. For some reason, these lashes just grow funny, but these ones look perfect. So that's why I recorded these today, but I will also be putting up some pictures so you can hopefully see them a little bit better. So without any further ado, let's just get right to the tutorial. So as you can see here, I'm starting off with completely bare, natural lashes. I don't have anything on them at this point right now. My favorite time to do this trick is right after I get a shower because I feel like it really helps clean off my lashes and I feel like they look the best then. The first step that you're going to do is curl your lashes, and this will help, obviously, curl them and give them a boost so that when you start putting on your mascara, your lashes will be upright and they will look full and long. You can already see a difference that curling them makes versus not curling them. My choice of mascara is the Falsies Flared by Maybelline. I think this step can kind of depend on which mascaras you prefer and which you feel like works the best with your type of eyelashes. However, for mine, I feel like this kind really lengthens and also spreads out my lashes so they can look as full as possible. Once I'm done with the first coat and it's still a little wet but not completely dry, I like to push up on my eyelashes using my finger because it helps to maintain that curl and helps them to stay up instead of falling down. Now here I'm just taking a clean spoolie and I'm separating my lashes in preparation for the next coat of mascara because the whole goal of this tutorial is for them to be separated and natural looking. The second mascara that I'm using is The Rocket by Maybelline as well, and this mascara wand has very small, fine bristles, and I feel like this mascara is especially good for separating your lashes and not making them clumpy. And once again, I am going back in with that clean spoolie just to keep brushing them out and separating them. And here you can see a huge difference. They already look much fuller and longer while still looking natural, and it's going to look even better after this step, which is cleaning off some of the mascara that has gotten onto my eyelid. And all I'm using here is a Q-tip that has a little bit of water on it, and it's best to do this almost immediately while the mascara is still a little bit wet so that it comes off easier. Now I'm putting a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes just to balance it out a little bit, and that is one eye complete. It'll be much easier to see in the pictures I post, but you can already tell the difference between both of my eyelashes. Now I'm going to show you guys how I do my other eye as well. It's the same process, but for this I am going to speed it up really quick, and I'm also going to play some music, so enjoy! And now this is with both eyes complete. As you can tell, they look significantly fuller and longer without looking clumpy. I'm going to wrap this video up, so also stay tuned for pictures at the very end. Alright, and that is the finished tutorial on how you can get natural, non-clumpy looking lashes with using just mascara. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. Also, one thing really quick, I don't really say in my videos anymore about like my social media being in the description box because that's unnecessary talking that I just don't feel like doing. However, as usual, my social media is down in the description box. My Instagram and my Snapchat account, it's the same username. And I also have been putting my episode story, Romance Island, in the description box as well with the link to that. And for those of you who don't know, Episode is a game app. It's kind of like a game. It's like an interactive story game where you can also make like choices and stuff. It's really fun. So I've been linking my story, Romance Island, whether you guys pay attention to it or not. Well, I just recently published a new story called My Secret Profession. And if you follow me on Snapchat or Instagram, especially Instagram, you'll see that I've been posting updates and pictures about it. So I will, hopefully I remember, even though I'm talking about it now, I need to remember to put the link to it in the description box. So go ahead and check it out down there, click the link, download the Episode app, read my stories, let me know what you think. So anyways, let me know what you think of my stories if you watch them. Go ahead and follow me around on all my social media. If you enjoyed today's video and if you found it helpful, go ahead and hit that like button so I know. Feel free to leave any comments down below if you have questions about anything or if you just feel like talking to me. More often than not, I try to reply. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can become part of my small little family, and also make sure you never miss a video with me. So thank you guys so much for watching, and until then, I can't wait to see all of your beautiful faces next time. Bye!